pretty cool that you went from 4 subs to 3 and got louder.
Yeah.
And efficient.
This box was made for the EVLs.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Cody. I have 3 VXF12 on 60 amp hour of Yinlong, a 4500 watt Sundown amp, and 2 back here and 1 up front. They are AGM batteries.
Okay. So you had 3 instead of 4. Did one blow, or did you like it with 3?
It's actually pretty funny. So I was playing it one day,
yeah,
and the coil unraveled in the motor. So I took it out and put 3 in there, and kept the 3.
Yeah.
And it's a lot more louder now.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Louder with 3 instead of... Is it wired down lower, or is it just the efficiency? Oh, so you went
wired to 0.65.
0.6. So from 1 to 0.6, and then you also probably maybe just gained some efficiency too then.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So I guess you're happy with it then.
Oh yeah. For sure.
Blow a sub and then try it out, and then louder.
Yeah.
All right. You want me to keep this window up?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, it's pretty cool that you went from 4 subs to 3 and got louder.
Yeah.
And efficient.
This box was made for the EVLs.
Oh, okay.
So when he got the Crossfire, the XG318s, he gave me these. So I sold the other subs and got those.
Got it. And you got a little more motor force.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Sure.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Cody system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Be sure to get a like to him if you haven't already. Enjoying the video. Pretty impressive to see how he went from 4 to 3 and actually got louder. I'll be a quick commentary on that. 3 12-inch subs on 4,500 watts. So being able to wire the amplifier down to under the 1 ohm mark, probably a 0.6, 0.7 ohm, helped with a little bit of the box rise impedance change and maybe a little bit more power out of the amp. I didn't really get the name of the 4-channel amp, but you could definitely hear the lyrics from his door speakers as well. You're going to see during the demo. And he actually gives us a demo with 2 songs. So this is a 6th order. If you didn't pick that up earlier, there is a back port there in the back. You can see for the rear port chamber, and then of course the big front port. And notice there actually was a patched hole spot for that 4th sub in the left area of that visual if you didn't see that earlier. Having the subwoofers inverted puts a bigger bottom chamber for this 6th order enclosure and probably a little bit cool look to it if you like seeing the motors, and it may cool the subwoofer motor a little bit better being able to be as open. So we're getting to the demo. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do daily car audio videos, and enjoy the 2-song demo. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Cody, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Appreciate it, man. Everybody give a like for Cody. Have a good day, man.
You too.
Stay cool. It's pretty cool that you went from 4 subs to 3 and got louder.
Yeah.
And efficient.
This box was made for the EVLs.
Oh, okay.
So when he got the Crossfire, the XG318s, he gave me these. So I sold the other subs and got those.
Got it. And you got a little more motor force.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Sure.
Awesome. Good job, man. You have a good day, Cody. Stay cool.